I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out.
Hey guys, so we are back. Okay, my bonnet is dirty. Clearly it's dirty. Yeah, so we got a package from Amazon. I went ahead and got me some wigs. I actually got two, but I think, yeah, I did get two. I'm still going to be doing two separate reviews, so yeah, that's on that. Let's do the curly wig first. Let's switch it up. This is how this looks. It says the best for you. This is how it comes packaged. I never let the companies know that I'm a YouTuber or anything. I just simply order in disguise because sis, I'm trying to see what y'all giving, okay? Oops. So they sent over a pair of lashes. These are cute though. These are cute. Is this really from Huda Beauty? I don't know if this is a legit pair. Why did I think somebody was just sitting at the window staring at me? Weird. Anyway, this is the packaging that it comes in. And y'all excuse my skin, this is just eczema. All this, all that. If y'all seen it in my past videos, y'all see me over there? I literally do my hair in this mirror. So y'all give me props because I literally be doing my hair. So anyway, this is the hair. It comes in the hair net, as you guys can see. And it's synthetic, if I didn't say that before. But this is what it given. It really feels like horse hair, I'm not gonna lie. The feeling of it does feel a little fake. I'm disappointed in this little lace section here. Where the rest of the lace? At least they did give us some. They didn't have to give us nothing at all. They ain't had to. So this is what the lace, this is what it looks really good though. I ain't going front. Look at how they plucked it. Look at it. Okay, so they did a good job with the little bit of lace that they were able to give us. Anyway, I'm just putting it on so we can see what she is giving. Okay, straight out the package, and it's not bad, y'all. Ow, don't get in my eye though. That's the only thing I ask. Why are you in my eye? It's giving. Look at that. Straight up giving. They gave us baby hairs. I feel like it looks good. I feel like they plucked more. They didn't really pluck on this side at all, as you guys can see clearly. They just focused on the section that you probably mostly would be seeing. So it's not bad, okay? Not bad at all. I just feel like it's gonna tangle, but it's not giving me tangles thus far. Like I can just pull it, and it's very, very soft though. It is soft, but just how it feels. I'm just taking some of this butter bronzer and I'm just placing it underneath the wig. I don't want to put no foundation under here. I put the drawstrings on the second loop in the back and it still is a little big, so it's definitely big head friendly. Alright, so I cut the combs out. They were super quick and super easy to remove. It didn't take no time at all. Why y'all got tracks right here? See, I don't like this. Like when they create the ear tabs, they always put the tracks onto the ear tabs. So I'm scared if I cut to my desired shape, I'm gonna cut into the tracks. Alright y'all, so we going in with our got to be glue. So sometimes to make sure that everything is laid down, I always take the back of a rat tail comb to press onto the lace, or you can use the back of the comb, either side. And you just want to make sure you're pressing it down, and then go back and add some more heat. This will ensure that this side won't be lifting up, because if you just pull it without going back in to dry it again, it's just gonna lift up. But dang, okay, I definitely wasn't expecting to get this. Okay, now before I lay everything down, I'm gonna cut at an angle, of course. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy elastic band. Alright, so she's nice and seated. Ow, my finger. I'm just gonna part it to see how far back you can go. As we seen, you don't have much room for parting. I'm trying to decide, do I want to part it? Yeah, because how else would it sit? Woo, child. I don't know. Do I just want it free flowing? But then free flowing would mean I would have to do baby hairs. We're gonna do the baby hairs first, but I do want to get into laying this down a little bit more. So I'm gonna put my hot comb on the lowest heating setting. So I turned my hot comb on 5. I think the lowest it can go to 1, but I just put it on 5 because it's like, we gotta see what it do. And you do a little side patch. Don't start off in the front. Okay, that's fine. And I did not put no wax on it because wax makes it look a little shiny. We're gonna try our baby Hair Goo. I never tried this on synthetic hair, so we finna see if it works. Alright y'all, so my baby hairs are done. I put my elastic band back on while I changed my clothes. So hopefully they didn't mess up. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna style it. Cause like I said, I didn't put a part in it. Girl, we giving crazy. We giving jungle. We giving straight up jungle. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, as you guys can see. Now, I have a love and hate relationship with this wig, okay? I'm still trying to figure out what's going on, okay? Not what's going on, but it's just so freaking thick. Like, I love me some density, don't get me wrong, but this is like damn near 250, 300. Like, this is giving me a lot, okay? Now, I want to go in and thin it out, but y'all know that is not an option when it comes out to synthetic hair, especially using a razor comb, because you're gonna nap it up, okay? I did go in and put some layers to it because I just felt like it being one length, it was just not giving. It was not giving at all. I even had a middle part and I was like, it was not doing justice. So I did cut a little bit of layers in it, as y'all can see. I feel like that helped out a little bit more, but sometimes I feel like I'm lying. This gives me the old, back in the day, synthetic hair, when they would give us curly hair, it would be so much. Here we are. So I'm gonna throw that back there because it's just like, I'm gonna put that it's just a lot, y'all. It's really a lot. Now, as far as for the lace, I love the lace material. It wasn't hard, it wasn't crunchy. It was, y'all can see when I put it on my forehead, it was giving scalp vibe. So that's not an issue. This would be a unit that I feel like I couldn't keep my hands out of. Like, I would have to keep looking to make sure everything's in place. I would say if this is all you could afford, you could make this work. You really could make this work. Like I said again, I ain't had no problem with the lace. Baby hair is A1. They gave us a guideline, so it's straight, and I was able to go in and customize it and make it my own. I cut into the stripes behind the ear. Y'all know I said that because it was just gonna be sitting on my ear. But it was shedding a little bit. I was getting shedding here and there when I was just like playing with the hair. It's not excessive, but I feel like just because I cut into the tracks, that's why I was getting the shedding that I did. Y'all, I don't know, like this could get monstrous real quick and you can just look crazy, but then it looks bomb, but then like you could look crazy all at the same time, if that makes sense. I don't know how long this will last, based off the material, based off like some of the stringy pieces from me detangling it. I feel like you doing too much touching on it, it's gonna loosen the wig and then you're just gonna end up with a straight mess. Now, I know one thing you can't do with units like this, if it gets too wild, of course you know you're not getting the curls back, or this type of loose wave curl. I don't know if you can put the the crimper to it or not. I honestly don't, but I know you can straighten the hair, so the hair would not be a waste if the curl pattern did come loose, you know. There it is then, y'all. I'm not complaining, okay, because it is I feel like it's a cute unit, but you just gotta make it work if you gonna buy it, if that makes sense. Now the tangling, one thing I love about the tangling, like if you do get a tangle, it's just super easy to go in and pull it apart. Like, it's no struggling there. Even if it looks like it's gonna tangle, it's just super easy to get out. So I do love that. So yeah, my camera cut off because it says time for me to go, but I'm tired, like I need a nap. Yeah, we're gonna go, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. All information in regards to this unit, all information in regards to this unit will be listed down below, and until my next one, you'll go see you later.